Hey, Master Investor here, live. Just heading out for a meeting and wanted to shoot this video to let you know that hit the link below so that you can learn how to make passive income. It is not a job offer. It is a way for you to make extra income without working. So I will teach you exactly what you have to do step by step so that you can position yourself in the marketplace with a system that sells products for you on autopilot. It's a hands-free system. Once you set it up, which it takes probably an hour, less than an hour, we will help you. We will tell you exactly what to do so that you can get it going. And once that's set, you just sit back and watch, because you have a digital franchise that sells products to the marketplace, to people that actually want the products, which are courses, digital courses that teaches them how to get more leads, more sales, increase their cash flow, expand their brand, build their brand on YouTube, etc., and so forth. So it's a great way for you to start earning extra income without having to work or get another job. So this is something that can bring an extra $500 per day on cash flow straight to your account from the sales. So hit the link below and watch the video, get the system, and I'll see you on the inside. My team will take care of you. Talk to you soon. Master Investor. Let me show you the view. It's a beautiful view. So about to head out and get going. So make sure you hit the link below. Follow me on Instagram at Master Investor, and I'll see you in the inner circle. Remember, think and grow rich. Use your mind. It is the greatest asset we all have, together with time. So you already know, Master Investor, your money mentor. I'll talk to you on the next video.